Happy Udaipur. Welcome to the second day, and this is the regional presentation by of our Andhra Pradesh state. No, madam. The system will be closed.
Good morning, all of you. This is Leela from Andhra Pradesh. Training on role of puppetry in education in line with NDP 2020 from 27th August to 10th September 2025.
That's the group photo of our Andhra Pradesh team, namely S. Nagaprasad garu, A. Srinivasarao garu, B. Venkateshwarlu garu, G. Lokesh Krishna garu, V. Satyanarayana garu, P. Nirmala Kumari garu, and B. Usha Kiran garu, Chandrika garu, Shivalila garu, and Maruti Kumari garu. These are the 10 participants from Andhra Pradesh state. And this is a regional presentation by team Andhra Pradesh.
On the second day of the training, 28th August 2025. Let us start our presentation with Ma Telugu Talli. Ma Telugu Talliki Mallapudanda. This song is our stage song. This is written by Shankarambadi Sundarachari garu. This song was first sung by Tanguturi Surya Kumari garu. Let's listen the song.
Let us see the song.
మల్లె పూదండ మా కన్న తల్లికి మంగళారతులు మానేనుగు తల్లికి మల్లె పూదండ కడుపులో బంగారు కడుపులో కరుణ కడుపులో బంగారు కడుపులో కరుణ కిరణములో తిరులు దొరైంచునా తల్లి మానేనుగు తల్లికి మల్లె పూదండ గలగలా గోదారి కదలిపోతుంటేను గలగలా గోదారి కదలిపోతుంటే విరవిరా కృష్ణమ్మ పరుగులిడుతుంటే బంగారు పంటలే పండుతాయి బంగారు పంటలే పండుతాయి ములాల ముత్యాలు దొరుకుతాయి ఆనెనుగు తల్లికి మల్లె పూదండ అమరావతి నగర అపురూప శిల్పాలు అమరావతి నగర అపురూప శిల్పాలు యాగయ్య గొంతులో తారాడు నాదాలు నిక్కయ్య కలములో నియంత్రణాలు నిత్యమై నిఖిలమై నిలిచి ఉండేదాకా బ్రహ్మ భుజశేఖి మలమ్మ పతిపతి తిమర సుధీరుక్తి విషయాయ కీర్తి ఆయులని కుమరి మారు మోదేదాకా నిరాటలే వాడుతా నీ ఆటలే ఆడుతా తెలుగు తల్లి
A small video. Video, please, sir.
Stretching from 12 degree 41 to 22 degrees north latitude, Andhra Pradesh spans over 62,000 square kilometers, the 8th largest state in India. It shares borders with Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu, while its eastern edge kisses the Bay of Bengal for nearly 1,000 kilometers, India's second longest coastline. From the lush Krishna Godavari Delta to the semi-arid Rayalaseema Plateau, from the tribal hills of North Andhra to its serene beaches, the state's landscapes are as diverse as its people. Andhra Pradesh is divided into 3 main regions: the fertile coastal Andhra, the mineral-rich Rayalaseema, and the hilly North Andhra, home to the coffee-scented breeze of Araku Valley. 4 great rivers, the Godavari, Krishna, Penna, and Tungabhadra, nourish its lands, making Andhra Pradesh the rice bowl of India. Telugu, one of India's classical languages, is the heartbeat of the state. Known for its lyrical beauty, it has been a medium for poetry, literature, and performing arts for centuries. Kuchipudi dance, classical music, and folk traditions carry forward its cultural legacy, from the Satavahanas who promoted Buddhism at Amaravati to the Kakatiyas who built the UNESCO-listed.
So, just in the video, Tamil Nadu, in eastern side of our state, Bay of Bengal, in western side, Karnataka state and Telangana states, in northern side, Odisha and Chhattisgarh states are border states of our Andhra Pradesh states. Land, nature and resources.
Andhra Pradesh possesses fertile alluvial plains in its coastal region, supported by rivers like the Godavari and Krishna, making it a major agricultural state known for crops like rice, sugarcane, and cotton. These are the major crops in AP. Sugarcane and paddy are the major crops in Andhra Pradesh. Its rich mineral sources include limestone, iron ore, bauxite, and barytes. The state also features diverse natural resources such as the Srisailam Tiger Reserve, extensive mangrove ecosystem in the Godavari and Krishna estuaries, and a long coastline that supports sea turtle nesting.
And the people of Andhra Pradesh are popularly known as Telugu people, and Telugu is the official language of our state. We are known for our hospitality, hardworking nature, and cultural pride. Agriculture is the main occupation, and many people are engaged in farming, handlooms, fisheries, and industries also. The people celebrate festivals like Ugadi, Sankranti, Dasra, Diwali with a great enthusiasm. Andhra Pradesh has also given the world many artists, poets, musicians, scientists, and many more leaders to the world.
Special features of Andhra Pradesh: language and literature. Telugu is called the Italian of the East for its sweetness. Culture and dance. Kuchipudi is one of the famous classical dances of India, originated in Andhra Pradesh, in Krishna district.
Let me say one thing here. While we are discussing about Kuchipudi, I think some of you know about CCRT Hyderabad. Is there anyone knowing about CCRT Hyderabad? Yeah, yes sir. Who is our coordinator madam at CCRT Hyderabad? Saundarya Kaushika. She is excellent Kuchipudi dancer and Kuchipudi dance master also. That art form born in Andhra Pradesh in the area of Kuchipudi, which is very nearest to Vijayawada. Now the capital city of Andhra Pradesh by the name of Amaravati. Vijayawada is a part of Amaravati. Kuchipudi is a small village very nearest to Vijayawada.
Food. The state is famous for its spicy cuisine, pickles, and delicious sweets like Putarekulu, laddus. Avakaya pickle is also very famous in Andhra Pradesh. Mouth-watering pickle to arts, very spicy.
We have tasted it.
Handicrafts. Kondapalli toys, Kalamkari paintings, and Uppada and Venkatagiri sarees are world famous. Here, saree collection is also handloom sarees very available in Andhra Pradesh. Pilgrimage centers. Tirumala Tirupati, Srisailam, Amaravati, Simhachalam, and Bejawada are major spiritual centers for Andhra Pradesh.
Natural beauty. while discussing about the natural beauty of Andhra Pradesh, we have so many beaches. We have to say firstly about Visakhapatnam. Yeah, okay. Visakhapatnam beach, Surya Lanka beach, scenic Araku Valley, Papikondalo Hills, and rich forests are special attractions in our Andhra Pradesh. Krishna and Godavari rivers are also very beautiful. These mighty rivers make the land fertile and are called the lifelines of the state. Modern development of Andhra Pradesh is progressing in IT, information technology. Especially we have to think about Mr. Chandrababu Naidu. He is the almost a founder of IT sectors in Hyderabad also. Right now he is the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, and in IT sector he is giving so many efforts towards the well-wish of the state. And industries, ports and agriculture, earning the title Rice Bowl of India. Andhra Pradesh is called as the Rice Bowl of India.
Famous educational institutions in Andhra Pradesh. Andhra University, Acharya Nagarjuna University, Sri Venkateshwara University, Adikavi Nannaya Telugu University. This university is famous for only Telugu language. Dr. NTR University of Health Sciences, Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, and many more government universities from Andhra Pradesh are serving in better education for the nation.
And right now, Governor of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Abdul Nazir and the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh is Mr. N. Chandrababu Naidu, as I told you earlier.
These are our state symbols. This is our state emblem. Purna Kumbham is our state symbol. Ma Telugu Talliki Mallapodanda is our state song. Jasmine is our state flower. Mango is our state fruit. Parrot is our state bird. Blackbird is our state animal. Neem tree is our state tree.
And the capital city of Andhra Pradesh is right now Amaravati is the capital city of our Andhra Pradesh state.
Andhra Pradesh geographical features. Andhra Pradesh comprises 26 districts now.
Very coming future, we are going to reorganize all the districts into 32 districts. Right now, this is with the 26 districts. Andhra Pradesh geographical features, as I told you already earlier, situated on the southeastern coast of India, bounded by Bay of Bengal in the east and Telangana in the north and northwest, Chhattisgarh and Odisha in north side, Tamil Nadu in the southern side, Karnataka in the western side.
Andhra Pradesh has the second longest coastline in India with 974 kilometers.
As we all know about the first longest, Gujarat state is the first longest sea coast in our India, and our Andhra Pradesh state is the second longest riverside.
Rivers in Andhra Pradesh. Major rivers Godavari, Krishna, Penna and Vamshadhara. These are the major rivers in Andhra Pradesh.
Okay, now this is the moment for a small art form, Kolatam. Sir, please minimize this. Sir. In the form of Kolatam, very famous art form in our Andhra Pradesh state. Ancient art form.
किसका था ये भैया ये भैया ये किसका था
Very familiar place to Andhra Pradesh and also India also. Worldwide famous temple of Venkateshwara Swami, Lord Venkateshwara Swami and Balaji. Famous name anamata Balaji. Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam is one of the famous temple in Andhra Pradesh.
And next, this one is Sri Salem, which is located in Nalamala forest of our Andhra Pradesh state. Very famous Lord Shiva. It is called as Lord Mallikarjuna Swami there. Jyotirlinga, famous Jyotirlinga also, and Shaktipeeth, yes.
Amaravati. It is our capital city. There is located Amararamam temple. Here is also famous Lord Shiva temple. He is known as Amareshwara Swami in our Andhra Pradesh. It is also located nearer to Vijayawada.
Next, this is Guntala Mary Mata Church, which is located in Vijayawada, one and only famous church in all over South India for Guntala Mary Mata.
Amin Peet Dargah. It is located in Kadapa. This Dargah is also very famous, and so many celebrities like Sachin Tendulkar, Saurabh Ganguly, they are also visit to here.
And this is Simhachalam, which is located very nearest to Visakhapatnam, Lord Lakshmi Narasimha Swami there, and which is very nearest to Konark temple also. Yes. And historical places of our Andhra Pradesh.
Kondapalli Fort. This is very historical place nearer to Vijayawada. Very famous fort.
And do you know is there any person knowing about Kondapalli? Kondapalli toys, very famous for the toys, and very nearest city from Vijayawada. And this is Chandragiri Fort near Tirupati.
Kondareddy Burju of Kurnool. Very famous fashionist place in Andhra Pradesh. Kurnool, Kondareddy Burju.
Most of the Telugu movies will be shooted there, Kondareddy Burju also. Lepakshi Basavanna temple, which was located in Anantapur district of Andhra Pradesh, and this Basavanna idol almost in South Asia it is the biggest idol. And the next one is do you observe something here? A hanging pillar is there. Lepakshi temple, hanging pillar. Just you can observe the cloth between the ground and the pillar. Hanging pillar is there. That is the specialty of the temple.
Buddhist dome. It is located. Buddhist domes are so many in Andhra Pradesh. There is a Buddhism symbols in Andhra Pradesh.
And Borra caves, which are located very nearest to Visakhapatnam. Araku Valley, you know? Araku Valley. One part of Araku Valley, Borra caves. Very famous tourism spot in Andhra Pradesh. And this is Undavalli caves.
Undavalli caves. It is nearer to Vijayawada in Guntur district. There is one specialty. Vishnumurti is in Narayan position. Very less places here like this in Andhra Pradesh. One of the place Undavalli Caves.
Let us have a song about the importance of education in poor families. Sir, please join. Okay. Importance of education in those poor families. This is a Telugu song. Please enjoy the song. Music. ఓ కొండలో కోయిల పాటలు పాడాలి, పల్లెల్లో అక్షర దీపం వెలగాలి, పల్లెల్లో అక్షర దీపం వెలగాలి. ఓ కొండలో కోయిల పాటలు పాడాలి, పల్లెల్లో అక్షర దీపం వెలగాలి, పల్లెల్లో అక్షర దీపం వెలగాలి. ప్రతివాడు ఒక తిక్కన అయ్యి నవభారతం రాయాలన్నా, ప్రతి మహిళ ఒక మొల్ల ఓలే ఇక రామాయణమే చెప్పాలన్నా, సంకురాతిరి ముగ్గులు వేసే సక్కనైన నా కలసేతులు, కాగితాలపై కలం పట్టుకొని పల్లె పాటలే రాయాలన్నా. ఓ కొండల్లో కోయిల పాటలు పాడాలి, పల్లెల్లో అక్షర దీపం వెలగాలి, పల్లెల్లో అక్షర దీపం వెలగాలి. కాడి కట్టుకొని మేళ్లు పట్టుకొని సాలిరు నాలో తిరిగి దున్నిన రైతులు, సాలిరు వాళ్ళు దున్నిన రైతులు, పలక పట్టుకొని బలపం పట్టి అక్షరాలనే దిద్దాలన్నా. ఓ కొండల్లో కోయిల పాటలు పాడాలి, పల్లెల్లో అక్షర దీపం వెలగాలి, పల్లెల్లో అక్షర దీపం వెలగాలి. గుడిసె గుడిసెకు పల్లె పల్లెకు చదువుల తల్లిని ముందుకు తెద్దాం, అజ్ఞానపు ఈ చీకటి పైన అక్షర జెండను ఎగురవేసుదాం. ఓ కొండల్లో కోయిల పాటలు పాడాలి, పల్లెల్లో అక్షర దీపం వెలగాలి, పల్లెల్లో అక్షర దీపం వెలగాలి. ఆలు మగలు రోజు కూలికి పోతే వచ్చేది 50 రూపాయలమ్మా, మగని సారకు 40 పోతే మిగిలేది 10 రూపాయలమ్మా. ఆపదితోనే బతుకు గడవక అప్పుల పాలే అయ్యేరమ్మా, కొంప కూల్చే ఆ సారా వద్దని జిల్లా కలెక్టర్ ని కోరేదమ్మా. ఓ కొండల్లో కోయిల పాటలు పాడాలి, పల్లెల్లో అక్షర దీపం వెలగాలి, పల్లెల్లో అక్షర దీపం వెలగాలి. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Alluri Sitaramaraju garu is a famous freedom fighter from Andhra Pradesh. Alluri Sitaramaraju was a fearless freedom fighter from Andhra Pradesh who led the movement Rampa Rebellion in 1922 to 24 against British rule. He inspired tribal people to fight for their rights and freedom with his courage and leadership. Known as Manyam Veerudu. Manyam means forest, jungle. Manyam Veerudu means hero of the jungle. He sacrificed his life at a young age for India's independence.
Only for independence, fighting for independence purpose, he remained unmarried and he lost her. He's a loved person, Sita. By the name of that Sita, he is called as Sita Ramaraju. And this is another famous personality of our Andhra Pradesh. Pingali Venkaya was an Indian freedom fighter, patriot, and the designer of the Indian national flag. That tricolor that became the official flag of independent India after its adoption by the Constituency Assembly on 22nd July 1947. A flower of Mahatma Gandhi, Venkaya was a follower of Mahatma Gandhi. Venkaya was a multi-talented man with expertise in fields like geology, agriculture, and linguistics also.
One more famous personality, Potti Sriramulu garu. Potti Sriramulu undertook a 50 days hunger strike starting on October 19, 1952 to demand the formation of a separate state for Telugu-speaking people. He died on December 15, 1952, which sparked nationwide protests and ultimately led to the creation of Andhra Pradesh on October 1st, 1953, and the subsequent reorganization of states on linguistic lines.
And this is Mr. Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy, the first Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, and he is the 6th President of India also. And he is Nandamuri Taraka Ramarao, the famous senior artist, hero, and ex-Chief Minister for Andhra Pradesh. Nandamuri Taraka Ramarao was born in 28th May 1923, and often referred to by his initials NTR, Senior NTR. We are also having his grandson, Junior NTR. So his name is called as Senior NTR. He is one of the heroes of Tripla. War 2 also. Yes, recently his movie War 2.
Rejected Prime Minister post when Atal Bihari asked him.
Yes, was an Indian actor, film director, film producer, screenwriter, film editor, philanthropist, and politician who served as the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh for the 7 years and over 4 times. Okay. Chiranjeevi and Brahmanandam. The two strong pillars of our Telugu cinema industry. The great actor Chiranjeevi, Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri, number of awards he received, and Brahmanandam sir also, great comedian, the famous personalities of our Andhra Pradesh. He is Mr. Paidimari Venkata Subbarao Garu, and the author of our national pledge. He also belongs to our Andhra Pradesh. Do you know? Who is she? Karuna Malleshwari, famous weightlifter, and in Olympics she secured a bronze medal. Malleshwari is a 2-time weightlifting world champion and national championships 54 kgs category from 1992 to 1998, continuously 7 times. And awards, she won Arjuna Award in 1994, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 1999, Padma Shri Award in 1999, and she resided almost over 15 years, very nearest to my native place, Donakonda, Baini, as her father was a teacher there. This is Balasubramaniam sir. Almost 26,000 of songs he sung in all over all the languages of India. Telugu, Tamil or Hindi, whatever the language may be, his songs are available there.
Now, traditions and festivals of Andhra Pradesh, Ugadi, Sankranti, Dasara, Diwali, and local festivals are there. Ganganamma Talli Jatara, I think Pushpa 2. Yes, in that movie, we watched it, Ganganamma Talli Jatara. Polerama Tirunalla, and like so many local fairs, local Tirunalla, so many types in Andhra Pradesh. This is our Ugadi Pachadi. And Ugadi Pachadi is a famous food for Ugadi festival. There is 6 types of items in this pickle. These are called as Shadruchulu in Telugu. 6 tastes anamata. 6 tastes untai dintlo. Salt, mirchi, and mango. Neem flower, jaggery, and tamarind. These are mixed and like this pickle.
Yes, these are the Sankranti celebrations from Andhra Pradesh, and Dasara also. At the time of Dasara, okay. Now we are going to show a Dhimsa style of dance. Sir, please come to the dance. Sir. Famous folk dance in northern side of Andhra Pradesh, Visakhapatnam area, Araku Valley, hai na. Dhimsa dance is a famous dance form. We are going to present.